What if I told you that one of the most effective ways to support your testosterone levels after 60 doesn't come from a pharmacy, doesn't involve injections, and doesn't require spending thousands of dollars at specialized clinics? What if the real solution has been quietly sitting in your kitchen this entire time, overlooked because it seemed too simple to matter? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you'll understand why testosterone drops faster after 60, which everyday foods quietly block or support it, and how small changes in what you eat can restore signals your body still knows how to respond to. Before we go any further, if men's health, strength, and confidence matter to you, take a second to subscribe. This channel focuses on the biology of aging and what actually works. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, a urologist and intimacy coach with over 12 years of experience helping men restore vitality, performance, and connection in both their health and their relationships. And let me ask you something quickly. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. You'll see very quickly that you're not alone in this. Now today, we're talking about natural testosterone revival after 60 using food, daily habits, and biological signals your body still responds to. And I want to be very clear from the start. Testosterone isn't just about sex drive. It's about how alive you feel in your body, your strength, your motivation, your mental sharpness, your resilience. Most men don't walk into a clinic saying, "My testosterone is low." They come in saying, "I'm tired all the time. I don't recover like I used to. My motivation is gone. I feel weaker, mentally and physically." And here's the truth most men are never told. This isn't personal failure, this is physiology. From about age 40 onward, testosterone naturally declines. But aging alone doesn't explain what we're seeing today. Modern men experience earlier and steeper hormonal decline because of chronic stress, fragmented sleep, high sugar intake, ultra-processed foods, alcohol, lack of resistance movement, and constant exposure to hormone-disrupting chemicals. Testosterone is sensitive. When your environment constantly signals stress and scarcity, your body shifts into survival mode. And when that happens, testosterone production quietly slows down. But here's the hopeful part. Your body never forgets how to produce testosterone. It only responds to the signals it's receiving. Testosterone isn't created out of thin air. It's built from minerals, healthy fats, enzyme activity, and hormonal signals coming from the brain. If even one of those inputs is missing, production slows. That's why pills alone so often fail. Food, on the other hand, supplies the raw materials your body actually uses. So let me walk you through 7 foods that research consistently links to healthier testosterone levels, especially in men over 60, and explain not just what they do, but why they matter more at this stage of life. The first is zinc-rich foods, such as shellfish or plant alternatives. Zinc is essential for testosterone synthesis. When zinc levels drop, testosterone drops. Estrogen conversion increases, and libido, strength, and recovery suffer. Shellfish, especially oysters, contain some of the highest natural zinc levels on Earth. If shellfish isn't for you, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and lentils are solid alternatives. And this matters more after 60 because zinc absorption becomes less efficient as we age. Even men who eat well enough are often functionally low. When zinc is missing, the body simply doesn't have the raw material to build testosterone, no matter how strong the desire is. Here's where many men get it wrong. They rely on supplements instead of food, or they assume one good meal fixes the problem. Zinc needs consistency. Small, regular exposure works far better than occasional high doses. The second food is garlic, the cortisol regulator. Garlic doesn't directly create testosterone. What it does is remove one of testosterone's biggest obstacles, cortisol. Chronic stress raises cortisol, and high cortisol suppresses testosterone production at the testicular level. Garlic compounds help reduce stress hormone activity, improve blood flow, and lower inflammation. This matters more after 60 because stress has a heavier hormonal cost. Your body becomes less forgiving. Best results come from crushing garlic and letting it sit briefly before eating. Cooking it heavily destroys the very compounds you want. Many men unknowingly cancel the benefit by preparing it the wrong way. The third is ginger, what I often call the testicular protector. Ginger supports testosterone in 3 important ways. It improves circulation to the testes, it reduces oxidative stress, and it enhances luteinizing hormone signaling. Luteinizing hormone is the message from your brain that tells your testes to produce testosterone. After 60, that signal weakens long before the testes themselves fail. Ginger helps amplify that message. Fresh ginger ginger tea or grated ginger with lemon works beautifully, but only when used consistently. The fourth is dark chocolate, at least 80% cocoa. This surprises many men. High cocoa dark chocolate provides magnesium, flavonoids, and antioxidants that support blood flow, insulin sensitivity, and hormonal enzyme function. Magnesium helps keep testosterone in its active, usable form. After 60, insulin sensitivity often declines, and magnesium becomes even more important. Here's the common mistake: choosing chocolate that's mostly sugar. That reverses the benefit entirely. 1 or 2 small squares of real cocoa is enough. The fifth is Brazil nuts, a selenium powerhouse. Selenium protects testosterone-producing cells from damage. Low selenium has been linked to lower testosterone, poor sperm health, thyroid dysfunction, and fatigue. This is one area where more is not better. 2 Brazil nuts per day is enough. Overdoing it can create imbalance, which is why restraint matters just as much as inclusion. The sixth is avocados, hormone-supporting fat. Testosterone requires fat, but the right kind, not trans fat, not processed oils. Healthy fat. Avocados provide monounsaturated fat, boron, and vitamin E, all of which support free testosterone, the form your body can actually use. After 60, digestion slows, and fat quality matters more than quantity. Avocados pair well with other whole foods and help stabilize energy and hormone signaling throughout the day. The seventh is pomegranate. For circulation and hormonal support, pomegranate improves blood vessel function, nitric oxide signaling, and oxidative balance. Better circulation means better hormone delivery, better erectile response, and better overall energy. The mistake many men make here is drinking juice loaded with added sugar. That undermines the entire purpose. Fresh seeds or pure juice with no additives is the goal. Now let me help you make sense of this, because this is where many men get overwhelmed. If you only start with one change, choose based on your biggest issue. If fatigue and recovery are your main problem, zinc-rich foods combined with better sleep will give you the biggest return. If motivation and libido feel low, healthy fats like avocados paired with garlic tend to help most. And if circulation and erections are the main concern, pomegranate and ginger together are often the most noticeable. This brings me to something most men are never told. Testosterone is not a fixed number. It's a daily signal. Every day your body decides whether producing testosterone is safe, useful, and worth the energy. Food sends one signal, sleep sends another, stress sends another, movement sends another. When those signals agree, testosterone rises. When they conflict, production slows, no matter your age. This is why combinations matter. Garlic works best alongside zinc-rich foods because one lowers cortisol while the other supports production. Avocados pair well with eggs or other fats to support hormone building. Ginger works best when sleep is protected because luteinizing hormone signaling happens overnight. Testosterone is never about one ingredient. It's about alignment. Before we go further, I want to quickly mention something I created that ties directly into what we're talking about here. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint. It's designed for men over 50 who want to rebuild energy, testosterone, circulation, and intimacy naturally. Inside, I share the same methods I use in my own practice, including a curated list of foods to eat and avoid, plus specific intimacy meals that support blood flow, spark desire, and strengthen bonding. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment if you want a clear roadmap instead of guessing. Now, food alone isn't enough. Testosterone also responds to behavioral signals. Sleep is the hormone factory. Most testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Less than 6 hours per night can reduce testosterone by up to 20% in a single week. Protect sleep like medicine. Same bedtime. Dark, cool room. Screens off at least 1 hour before bed. Resistance movement is next. Your muscles speak directly to your hormones. Strength training sends a clear message to your body. I need strength. Support me. You don't need a gym. Bodyweight exercises 3 times per week are enough. Stress reduction matters more than most men realize. Chronic stress silently destroys testosterone. Slow breathing, time outdoors, and short daily walks without distractions lower cortisol and allow testosterone to rise. And finally, reduce hormone-disrupting chemicals. Plastics, pesticides, and synthetic chemicals often act like estrogen in the body. Switching to glass containers, stainless steel bottles, and simpler cleaning products may seem small, but these changes compound over time. Here's what many men notice when they do this consistently. In the first 1 to 2 weeks, energy and sleep often improve. By weeks 3 to 4, mood and motivation lift. Circulation and libido follow over the next 1 to 3 months. Muscle and strength strength changes take longer, and that's normal. Testosterone recovery is a process, not a switch. Testosterone isn't about reclaiming youth. It's about maintaining dignity, vitality, and independence. Your body isn't broken. It's responding exactly to the signals you give it. When you supply the right nutrients, the right movement, and the right rest, your biology responds. Start small. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. Before we wrap up, many viewers ask me which natural supplements actually deliver real results for men's health. After reviewing the research and testing what truly works, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials. 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. These are all natural, science-backed formulas chosen to work together for maximum result. I've linked them in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to explore them. And remember, this channel is a safe space where men support each other. Share your age and where you're watching from below. As men age, this isn't the end. It's a new beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.